today. It's a beautiful day here. This is my first hiking video, and this is for people who are just starting to hike. What's all needed to get started. We had to start somewhere, so I just want to share some of the things I learned along the way.
Hi, this is Binder here, and I'm gonna tell you some of the stuff that is a must for hiking. Number one is the backpack, so we can carry all your stuff in it. We need a mask. This is during COVID, so you need your mask, you need your wipes, and definitely the hand sanitizer. Water, at least 2 bottles each for each hiker. Some snacks like Cliff Bars, granola bars, or protein bars, and napkins. And Jita will tell you the clothing that we will need.
Hi, this is Sarjit. You definitely need a nice hat, sun protection, a nice jacket. It depends on the weather too. Sometimes you can have a lighter jacket, sometimes you can have a heavy jacket. Like today where the weather was kind of cold, so I'm also having this heavy jacket. Nice shoes, nice hiking shoes. The sticks, you definitely need the sticks. Some places are steep, narrow, so you have to use sticks for the balance.